So what's up, guys? So last week on our Marketing Monday, I talked about how to not overthink social media and kind of your content and how you're creating it. And so today it kind of goes along with that. I wanted to give you guys and actually show you a tool that we use every single day to help create content in a matter of minutes. And so today's tool is Canva. It's 100% free. There are paid options for it if you want, but you can do a whole lot with the free plan. And it is literally an excuse eliminator because it is a platform, and I do it from my phone to show you just how easy it is from a mobile app to create engaging, really cool, nicely designed posts in a matter of minutes. So I'm literally eliminating any excuse of you not having time to create content to post. You do. And so today's tutorial is literally me sharing my screen, showing you how to build a post in a matter of minutes and how to even upload it right from Canva. So no excuse, but if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button for us. And as always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. We're here for you if you have any other questions. Hope you enjoy. So as promised, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can build a post for any social network in a matter of minutes. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the Canva app on our phone. It is free. If you do not have it already, you're gonna click on your app store icon here. You're going to click the little search icon at the bottom. You're going to type in Canva, C-A-N-V-A, hit search, and it's this first one that pops up, Canva graphic design. Mine obviously says open because I already have it, but if not, you're going to click the little download button and you're going to download it to your phone, okay? That will bring you to the app. Then you're going to click on the Canva app, and once this opens, I have instant access to build all sorts of different graphic design content. I can create a Instagram post, Facebook post, LinkedIn post. I can create a flyer for an open house. I mean, all sorts of things, guys. Just scroll through, spend some time in here and play with it. All of the sizes for those different documents are all optimized. So for purposes of this, I'm just gonna click create an Instagram post. Once I do that, there are hundreds, probably even thousands of different already designed posts that I can now click and edit, right? Scroll through, as you can see, I mean, there's tons. So let's just find one that I like. I'm gonna click this one for purposes of this exercise here. And once this opens, I can now begin to edit any single piece of this. So when I click on this text, I can literally double click on it and I can change this to anything like take one day at a time, okay? So if that's what I wanted to say, I can now make the font smaller, bigger. I can reformat it. I can make the text much bigger. I can control the spacing. If I click spacing, I can change the letter spacing here to be like that. I can change the line height. I can change all sorts of things. I can change the font itself. So let's say I want the font to be something else. There's hundreds of fonts in here. One of my favorite is Viva, so I can start to search that, change the font, there you go. And now the spacing is a little messed up, so if I want to change my letter spacing, there we go. I want to drag this in, make this bigger, done. Let's say I want to change the color of the font, no problem. Click on the font, change it to any color you want. I can delete out elements that I don't want. So if I don't want that, there we go. And now if I want to change the background image, I click on it. I can pull any image from my phone, any image, you can upload those directly into Canva, or you can click their Images Pro and there's over 1 million images that I can now search and use. So let's just say I search happy. It's going to give me a bunch of images that are indexed as someone in it as being happy. Doesn't matter, I can scroll through. I'm just going to pick this one. As soon as I do, it puts that image in the background for me. Already sized, already ready to go. If I want to change the filter of that image, I can. So I can change that to any filter just like you could within Instagram itself. Or if I want to create my own overlay of that image, this is how easy it is to do. Click the plus button. Click shape, click square, drag it to where you want it, make it the size that you want. There we go, right? and cover that image. And now, if obviously I want it in the background, I click the 3 dots, push it behind the text, change the color. So let's say I want it to black, and then I control the transparency. So I scroll back up, and I've got transparency. So I simply drag until it's the transparency that I want. Now I can see the image, but my text pops a lot more, and I'm ready to go. If I want to drag the text down, no problem. And if I want to add a logo, simply click that plus, come over to logo. I've already uploaded my logo in here. Click on it. I can change the size of my logo, change the placement, and I'm done. That simple. Now, I click done. Now I have 2 options. I can click this little download icon, and it will instantly start to prepare and download that post to my camera roll on my phone, which I can then go into each platform and upload. Or, and I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this because I don't need it, I can click this little blue upload button, and as you can see, I've connected all of my social profiles, which is super easy to do. And if I wanna go post on Instagram, for example, I just click Instagram. It will automatically pull this image into Instagram for me, and I can now post it right to Instagram without ever even downloading it to my phone. And so you'll see it's gonna open up my Instagram app on my phone, ask me where I wanna put it. I put the feed, click next, and write my caption, put in my hashtags, and I'm done. Minutes, right? And I made it even more complicated than what you need to do, because you literally could just use their template, change the text to say what you want, and you could be done. So literally as fast as 30 seconds to a minute, upwards of a couple minutes if you really want to get more creative with it and kind of make it your own. But there is absolutely no excuse that you are not creating content, at the very least, with images and design by a platform like Canva. So it's 100% free. There's no reason you're not doing it other than it's just an excuse for you to not do. So I've eliminated that excuse. Go out. If you're not creating content on a regular basis because you don't have time, well, now you got time. So go do it. As always, guys, please leave comments, like, comment, whatever, give us your feedback. And yeah, we're here for you. Thanks, guys.